If we are asked to tell something that has helped me a lot while teaching, after pursuing this course, that can be several blogs, Wikipedia extents, discussion forums, as well as several activities like internet searching, using several artificial intelligence tools, and in nowadays we can do several courses, several degrees, several PhDs, even masters, as well as several major courses with the help of our MOOC. MOOC service has been quite famous after the COVID period, because in the time of the pandemic there was nobody for us to teach at their own. Like, there was not physical existence of any kind of teacher. There was just online materials, online courses, online lectures, online submitted videos that we have to watch again and again to gain something from it. And I thought it was quite helpful for few students who could not go for further location for further studies. Like, suppose I am living in a village or in a country where there is not any kind of quality products, quality materials, quality teachers are not often being trained, and then how could I pursue that much of high quality education just sitting in our home? So it just opened a new chapter, a new door. With the help of it, we can learn any course, any degrees, any major, or anything just sitting at our home with the help of few clicks with high quality internet. And with the help of that, our learning has grown so much faster. Firstly, we used to read some kind of books, some kind of experts are there, those who are basically local. They were not that much of updated and upgraded. Then internet came. We just quite got help by surfing it. We had to know the exact answers, what the questions could be, what could be the probable answer, and what could be the distractors for that particular answer. And each and everything got so much of easy via that MOOC courses, that everybody was being able to apply it. Suppose a girl or a boy who has to pursue some kind of job to maintain his livelihood, to help their family, they can also pursue the course at the evening time, at the night time, as per their convenience. And this is quite flexible from time, cost, physical existence, even for the submission of assignments and projects as well. So it was quite helpful for each and every people in this whole world. So that's why it become that much of famous. We have to know this importance, and it also need to be assured that the courses are being provided from the authentic person, like who are giving the course, they are really authentic. It's for basically for the professional course, not for just random YouTube videos. That math is taught by 50 random person. Suppose among them 25 have got that much of quality expertise and 25 have not, but they have quite their independence and autonomy to upload, because they are exploring also and we are also exploring. So we are the customer. So if becoming the customer as a student, I have to find out which teacher provides what and what is quite profitable for us and what's not. After recognizing all of it from a certain point of view, after a certain point of time, after stopping, we become that much of expert so that we can decide what's good for us and what's not. And so for the MOOC services also, we had to ensure that only distance learning should not be promoted. It should be also distance and quality learning also. Like people has had to pass some kind of exam. Maybe it can be remote, it can be online, it can be just a quiz, it can be nothing but a demonstration video also. But people has to ensure that they will try to enlighten their quality, upgrade themselves, update themselves. Even the people who are the stakeholders, like who are conducting this course, they has to also maintain some kind of gradation or standardized criteria, so that they will be able to conduct more courses like this. Not every people should be given authority to conduct this kind of course. Even even this doesn't matter they are doing a business or not, but it should be quality services via blog, Wikipedia, discussion forum, MOOCs, or whatever services it is. This course has taught me a lot how digital media, digital platforms, digital applications, and their interactive engagement has motivated a lot of people to pursue several courses, and that has been quite helpful for their journey as a learner. And we have to know and identify its negative sides also. Like distance learning is always good until we are using it in a good way. So thank you.